So what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 fast charging your battery, and let's go. The first is the fast charging app 2020. So download this app to fast charger your tablet or any one of your gadgets, and don't double the fast charger in your single phone because it's drain your battery. One charger in one phone. Okay, the second, this fast charging pro sped up. Download this app to fast charging you. The third, this super fast charging master expert. Look expert. Please download this app for fast charging you. The fourth is this fast charger, quick charge, fast charging. Download this app to fast charging your any app, any phone. Look the comment. This is fast charging, real fast charging. So let's get started to the final fast charging. This super fast charging 2020 charge battery fast charger. Faster. Download this app for your tablet, iPhone, anyone. This is fast charger, fast quick charge. Please download this app. And so, thank you for this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and then comment for my next video, and then click the notification bell and all. Bye bye.